right, so let's go through the listings tab and then we'll do some playbooks. So the listings tab is almost identical to the Smart CRM tab with all your contacts. On here, it'll show you properties, and all of this information that you see here is attached to your MLS, okay? So this information, let's click on this property, for example. On here, you'll be able to see, the property details, the MLS ID of that property. You can see, you can see an overview, the listing description, and all the cool stuff you get to see on your MLS, but right from KvCore itself. You can see photos of it, similar listings, the activity that's been going on with this listing. Pretty cool stuff. And I think this is funny. It actually shows you what your revenue would be if you were to close a deal on it at 3%. So anyone find a client for this property, this is what you're looking at, which is pretty cool. Let's see, on here, you'll get to see the listing agents, their contact information, and whether or not there's an open house. And when you click on specific listings, you can send them via email to specific contacts. So this is me actually clicking on this button right here. And then you can search for a contact to send this listing to. So if it matches someone else's, one of your client's criteria, you could just click there, find them, and then KvCore will auto-populate a lot of information too. So it'll be on there, and then you can fill in all the details. If you have a template for this kind of email, you can kind of look for that here, or use one of KvCore's if one closely matches what you're trying to say. And then, yeah, you can just press the send and send it out. Okay. I'm going to close this. Boost Property is a really cool tool, but you do also have to pay for that. It kind of creates social media posts for you about this property that you can share on Facebook or other social media platforms. We're not going to go over that today. It's a paid feature, but it's really cool. Under more actions, you can also send this via text. You can email to a specific group of hashtags, which I need to get to, text it to hashtags, and do a cool, a lot of cool stuff on here and post them on other social media places.